Okay. So you have a input string, so like this. So people wants the output like this. So they want output, so like a hyphen bb hyphen ccc hyphen tt. Okay. So this is the one you need to print. How can you print? So that's what this is the 2 times asked in one of the interview. Okay. I attempted 2 times and 2 times same program they asked. So that's why this is the I will see. So we cannot give a guarantee same programs you will get or not. But at least we can practice more programs that will increase the chances. Basically, it will increase the chances of so your option to write or practice more methods you have, and see you're going to use always the methods only to see that. Okay. So let's see this program, how we can convert this into this format. Let's see this. So public static void string convert string, yes, you are giving. Okay. So you are giving a this input, but otherwise I don't need this at all. Okay. You can directly give here itself. Okay, so we can give this, there is no parameter required for this. So first create object for string builder. So there is one more string buffer and there is a string builder also. So initially I told, I don't know whether you remembered or not, we have an option to create mutable string with string buffer and string builder. Immutable strings you can create with only with a string class. So beginning class, I explained this.
Yeah, I remember that one.
We
point.
are creating object for string builder class. So why string builder? Why not string buffer? String builder is very faster than string buffer also. Okay. So it is not thread safe. String buffer is a thread safe, right? So that is the one thing. And for, so you iterate the string, okay? Iterate this string int I equal to 0, I less than string dot length I plus plus. So that's the second step. Step 2, iterate the string using for loop. So then get the each character from this string. How can you get each character? So that's the third step. So see, step algorithmic steps is a very important. So fetch each character from string using caret method. Okay, caret method. Caret int index. So caret method int index you have to use. So char c equal to s dot caret of I. If so, character class has a method is digit method. Okay, so is digit. See that this character class has a is digit method. This is a static method which gives you a Boolean value. So see, this S means it's a static. Okay, S means I already told you class name dot. If it is like this, see, you have to give an input. What you have to give input? You have to give an input character. So then it will tell Okay, whether this character is a digit or not, it will tell. So is digit. So this one. So if character dot is digit. So if this character is a digit, here first one is not a digit. So it will come else part. Okay. The first one is not a character, right? It will come and append to that output, this output. So you are just know this string builder you are using, append the characters. So you are appending. So next iteration, the I value will increment, I value becomes 1, right? 1 less than length, true, comes inside. So caret of 5 means this is the 1. So 1 you got here. Now 1 is a digit, right? So this is true, right? It will come inside. If the character is a digit, what we are going to get the number of times to repeat the, so this. So number of times you want to repeat the, so previous character, this number before the character is there, right? How many times you want to repeat? That's what you are doing. That's why you are getting this count. Okay. So if the character is a digit, get the number of times to repeat the previous character. So this, how many times this one has to be, the previous one has to repeated 1 time, because so this one is one number only, that's why you repeat 1. So for int j equal to 0, j less than this count, j less than the count. So now count is 1, right? So less than count. So j plus plus, and output dot append s dot caret of, so I is 1 already. 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 means A. But here it won't come inside. Why it won't come inside? Can you tell me? J is 0. 0 less than the count is 1. It will come and it will add 1 only. A. So that means A will come here. A will come. So A will append to that. So now it will go again. So B will add here. Again, output value will be, so, and it will become now B. So B will, no, it's not a character. It will come here. It will, no, append that character to output. Now, again, so see, now it will become here. It will come to here because this I value will increment. That is the third position. So the 2 count you will get. So j equal to 0, j less than 2, and j plus plus. So all for loop execution, output dot append s dot caret of I equal to 2 now. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. So 1 means 0, 1. So the character, so whatever the character that is, it will fetch and it will so append that value to this. So it is keep on doing that many times. It will keep on appending. 1 time only it will append. Okay, 1 time here already 1 time appended. So 1 time only it will append. So that's this append method is very useful when you are joining, appending the characters. So it will repeat the same thing next. C it will append, then it will append 3 times here. So already here 1 time, then 3 times here it will append. So like that it will keep on adding 1 by 1. So that's so this will do, and T also 2 times. So basically this number previous character, so you are appending. That's what we are doing. So this is character dot get numeric value method is there. In the get numeric value returns int value. After that you can read here. So these are all static methods. Get numeric value, is digit to, all these are methods, static methods in the character class. Returns the int value that the specified Unicode character represents. Okay, so that's what the definition of this get numeric value. So that's all the examples you can see here. if you want more examples. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how you can mouse over and you can see the difference of a definition of that method. So once it is now appended and you can print output dot, this is the string builder, right? You need to convert into string format. If you want to convert any object, this is the object into string, you have to use a toString method. It will convert into a string format. So that is the output dot toString method. So output dot toString method. So that's
we're
the one
going
simple.
from, sorry to interrupt you, we're going from mutable to immutable there in the end because we're creating a string.
Yeah. So because
okay.
initially you got a string only, right? Again, you have to convert into string. So otherwise, no, you cannot directly, use the object. So you're converting object into a string format. So you want that string one that we are printing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So that's one thing. And one program, very important program. Okay. Next one. So we need to write a program to check a given string is balanced string or not. What is meant by this balanced string? So balanced string means so you take simple words, okay? So like this. So for example, a string is zips, right? Now, when you so division this, okay? When you just separate the left hand side and right hand side. So if you sum these two ASCII codes and these two ASCII codes, if they are same, that is a balanced string. Left hand side character ASCII code and right hand side character ASCII codes. If you sum, if you get a both, right, both the same value, then that is called a balanced word or balanced string, we call that. So if not same, you can say simply say break. So BR and so you remove this and so multiply. So BR ASCII codes use sum and KE ASCII codes use sum. If both are same, that is a balanced string. Otherwise, it's not a balanced. If not same, left hand and right hand side characters. So that's what we need to do. Okay. So to get the sum of left and right, so you declare first step, declare the two variables. Declare two variables. So one is left sum 0 and right sum 0. Two variables you can declare. So that's a two variables we declared. That's a first step. Then iterate the string. Okay. The next step is so iterate the string. So for int I equal to 0, So that means first character onwards I am starting. I less than word dot length by 2 because we are dividing, right? That's why you have to string dot length by 2 you have to use. And I plus plus. So here again, so getting the character, how to get the character from the string, that plays a major role. So now here see left sum plus equal to means left sum equal to left sum plus this entire value. Okay. So what is mean by if you, this is the shortcut. The shortcut for what? So the shortcut is left sum equal to left sum plus this is the one. Okay. Are you clear on this? Why? So this is the shortcut. Instead of writing left sum equal to left sum plus word and this entire thing. So what they did, they made a shortcut. You can write like this also. So what is meant by this? Left sum equal to left sum plus this entire thing. That's what I have written here. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, see here. You are getting from this string character of I means first character, that is for example J. Okay. So the J minus A plus 1 you are doing. So minus A, you are getting a character, right? You're getting a character. Right here you are getting a Z. So what is a G character and A character ASCII codes? So this is the 122, I think, the Z. Okay. And if you want, you open the ASCII codes, ASCII table.
Lowercase a is 97. Remember that one.
Yeah, lowercase a 97. Okay. So Z 122, I think.
Yes, you're right.
'97 is A and Z is 122. So now 122, so 122 minus 97 plus 1. So you can count that, okay? What is the value? So that, so we can do that. 122 minus 97. And so it's a 26, right? You will get here 26. Okay. For first, now sum is having 0, 0 plus 26 is 26. Now 26 is here. Just assume that, okay? So the value is you have 26 here. First step, 26 you got. Now right sum also you need to calculate. Right sum means this one, this character you need to get. How can you get the last character? So right sum plus what dot character of. So how can you get the last character index? The string dot length minus I minus 1. Then minus a plus 1. That's what we are doing. So you will get this, you will give you the last character index at S. So what is the S ASCII code? You can get ASCII 115. Okay. 115 minus 97. So 115 minus 97. So 18. 18 plus. So the 19 you got it. Here 26 you got. And right hand side 19 you got. Left hand side 26. Right hand side 19 you got. Now let's go. So again, the loop will move, right? Loop will move. So loop will move and I value becomes 1 now. Before it was 0, now 1. So here 4. So I value now 1. 1 less than 2. 1 less than 2, true, right? 1 less than 2 because 4 by 2, 2, right? So 1 less than 2, true comes inside. Now I value. So I, so the I value 1. So that means I you will get. So this is, what is the I? So let's see that what is the I. So I 105. So just see that 105. 105 minus 97, 8. So 26 plus 8. So what is that? 34,
34.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Now here, so P, right? So now P minus 97. What is the P value?
112.
112. So 112 minus 97 plus 116. So 16. So plus 16. So what is the value? Did we make some mistake here? And I think we need to add
35.
here 1 now.
Yeah, I think it's 9. Yeah.
9. So 35.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is also 35.
35.
So now left sum is 35 and right sum also 35, right?
Mm-hmm.
So equal, double equal to. So numbers you are comparing. So double equal to. So double equal to means it compares two numbers. So true, you will get a true. That means this value is balanced word. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's how you need to calculate this. So you got right what we are doing. So left side characters, right side characters you need to get. Why we are reducing this minus I, you know already. I already told several times.
Maximum length.
So right hand side where right to left if you want to go. Next P if you want to get, you have to reduce. Then only you will get that P index. Otherwise you won't get. If you don't reduce, you won't get. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you have to subtract this one, right? This index you have to subtract. Already gone. So that's why we are subtracting. So total length minus I minus 1. So that will give you the next index, next character index.
Mm-hmm. So
Okay?
whenever we're going right to left, it is the word dot or whatever our think it may be word dot length minus I minus 1, because minus 1 is the maximum length, and then I
No.
would be.
So word dot length minus I minus 1 means, so suppose you want to give this here also, fine. Word dot length minus 1 will give you the last character index, right? Then minus I always your, so okay, this is done. Now you want to go to next one, the previous one. So that time you are reducing. This one, this one value you are reducing. Already you are done this one. You have to go to next character means you have to
So
reduce.
you reduce.
So you are reducing that. You're subtracting. Then only you will get that one, right? Otherwise you won't get. If you want to run in debug mode, you will come to know this entire thing, okay?
Yeah, I'll do that because I understand what you're explaining to me, but I'll have to see it step by step through each iteration, and I think it'll make more sense to me because as you're explaining
So
it,
you
it makes
can
perfect sense. But to get better
let me
understanding, I
run
just
in
need to,
debug mode, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We'll do that. So here itself. So we have 6 minutes still. We can do that.
Mm-hmm.
This one, right?
Yeah.
That's what you debug mode. If you run automatically, you will get a better idea, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a very, very important. See, this is the one you have to step over. It will go to that. So left sum is now here. If you execute this, left sum is 0. Right sum is 0. Now it came here. So if you want to know this value, right? You can just Control Shift I. So you will get that value. See, now you got that value. 2. You got the 2. See that? So wherever the functions are there, you can execute. Control Shift I, you do that. Remember, note down that. Note down. In the debug mode, for example, one method output you want. Generally, it won't give. You want that output, Control Shift I. Select that, Control Shift I, you do, you will get the output. Okay.
Mhm.
Next, go here. So I value is 0.
Mhm.
Now, what that character of I? You want that. Control Shift I. So you got a Z. See?
Mhm.
So that's the beauty of this. And see, now you will get a left sum value. How much? 26. That's what we got, right? We also
Mhm.
got the same. Now right sum. So right sum also you got 19. That's what we got in the initial.
Mhm.
19. So if you want this one, see this one, Control Shift I. See that you got a 3 here. 3 means here 0, 1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
So you got 3, right? That 3. So that
Mhm.
character of 3 means you will get a P. So now if you want to execute this, if you again execute this, Control Shift I, so you got a yes. So what that character of I 3 means? Yes only. This one.
Mhm.
This one. 0, 1, 2, 3, sir.
Yes, sir.
No confusion, right?
No, no, no. My index, I'm quite clear on that.
3,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
So that's a caret method. You are giving a last character index. Now, word dot length, if you want to know only word dot length, select that. Control Shift I you do. So how much? 4. What is the I value? 0. So 4 minus 0 minus 1. How much you are getting? 4.
3.
This entire thing.
3.
Got it?
Mhm.
Word dot length, how much? 4. 4 characters, right? These are 4
Mhm.
characters. 4 minus I. What is the I value? 0. 4 minus 0. 4. Minus 1, no. 3.
3.
That's why you got 3.
Mhm.
Clear now?
Yes.
So that's the how you can execute step by step. And see now left sum again, it becomes 35. Right sum, it becomes 35. So, and this is the returning the value. Now see next one. See that left sum to right sum to the next two characters. And those are not same. So that's why it returns false. So this is how we can know. So execute in debug mode. If you execute, you will get a nice, understanding how always, any method output you want, select that out method, Control Shift I. Okay.
Mhm.
So now this method output you want Control Shift I in debug mode only, not normal mode.
Mhm.
See, you won't get that. Only that will happen in the debug mode only. Okay.
Mhm.
Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's all these programs. Okay.
Mhm.
And you can see this. Let me uncomment them. The shortcut is Control Shift backward slash. It will uncomment. If you want to
Mhm.
comment a bunch of these things, Control Shift forward slash. See that?
Mhm.
Many lines commented at the same time. That's a shortcut, so we should know them. Note down all these points. Okay? It
Yes, sir.
really helps you. If I want to uncomment now, Control Shift backward slash. So enter key above, there is a backward slash.
Mhm.
That's the for uncommenting. So note down for uncommenting, Control Shift backward slash. So if you want, I'll note down this. Uncomment shortcut. So Control Shift plus backward slash. For commenting, comment multiple lines or anything. Multiple
Mhm.
lines or any line. Comment shortcut is, what is the shortcut? Control
Shift forward slash.
Shift plus forward slash. Okay.
Mhm.
So note down all these things. It really helps you. So because a quicker way you can do that. Okay.
Mhm.
That's it. So see Malayalam, we are race car. These are all see silent listen. So we are swapping and